I'm Atanu. I look after the post sales of this Cisco products. So a new technology comes up in wireless, that is 802.11 AC wave 2. Previously it was wave 1, but now it comes up with wave 2. So Cisco introduces some wireless APs which supports that wave 2 features and all. So mainly 1800 series of Cisco APs are there. There are two variants of that, 1830 and 1850, where the 1832, the exact model is 1832 and 1852, right? So all the wave 1 features is there in the APs, but the advanced feature which is there for wave 2 is multi-user MIMO, MU, and second is the wider RF channels, and third one is basically the 4 special streamings. That is the thing. In 1832 model, the special streaming is 3 into 3, 2 special streaming, and in 1852 it is in 5 gigahertz it is 4 into 4, 4 special streaming, and in 2.4 gigahertz is 3 into 4 full special streaming. So that is the main feature of wave 2, or you can say Cisco's 1800 series APs. Now we have the APs of 1852. This is the AP. It has a console port, a PoE port, a auxiliary port, and a USB port. USB port is basically for future use, and power adapter options is also there. Right now we are connected with this power adapter option. The main beauty of this product is within 10 minutes or within maybe 5 minutes you can make the basic configuration of this AP, and you can make your wireless network up. Okay, and next, these APs are basically having Mobility Express iOS in it. Previously it was there are 2 types of iOS was available, that is autonomous and the lightweight iOS. Now 1800 forward it will come the Mobility Express and the lightweight iOS. In Mobility Express, the main feature of the Mobility Express is these APs can be used as a controller. You don't have to have a separate hardware box for your small wireless network. It takes up to 25 APs, and the controller is basically whichever will come up, which AP will come up, it will act as a controller. If that goes down, the second one will automatically take care of the whole wireless network. So that will act as basically a controller, right? This is the main feature, and within 5 minutes we can set it up. So we are going through this set it up. So you just power it on the AP. You can mount the AP even. You don't have to connect through any console cable or anything, though it has a console port. So you just go to that your wireless network, and you can see that Cisco Air Provisioning SSID is available, so you can connect it. After that, the default IP address of this AP is 192.168.1.1. so if you click on it, the page will open. So here you can create your admin user. Right now I am putting it admin. Password is Cisco@123. The password must be having a capital letter, a special character, and the numeric character. Start. So the first screen will come. So here you can put your system name, whatever it is. Now I am putting it WIPL. Select your country, select the date and time, the time zone. If you have a NTP server in your network, you can configure the NTP server also. Management IP, you can put the management IP. By default it is 192.168.1.1. so I am putting 10.10.10.1 as an example. Put the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the gateway maybe 10.10.10.2. so go next. Here you can put the put your SSID, the network name or the SSID. So here I am putting WIPL. You can select the security as a WPA2 personal or the enterprise. So in enterprise you will get you will get the administrative server IP, the authentication server if you have in your enterprise network. So you can put, so here for example I am putting is a simple one, the personal. Put the passphrase. I'm putting password, confirm the same. Management IP, here you can put it in the management IP, management VLAN. In VLAN you can put it in the management VLAN, or if you want to create a separate VLAN for that, you can create with a new VLAN tab. If you have a DHCP server, you can even configure the DHCP server also. And now for the guest network, that is for the employee network. If you want to configure the guest network, you can configure the guest network even. Here also you can get for guest network, you can put the SSID as a guest. You can do it through web consent, that means captive portal, or you can use the WPA personal also. Okay, so here also you can create your new VLAN, or it can be used as a employee VLAN or maybe a VLAN ID. So here I'm not configuring the guest right now. I'm going forward to the next. Here array parameter optimization. If you enable this feature, here you can see the client density. You can configure the client density. So here is 3 options: low, typical and high. So around 10 to 15 user we will consider as a low, maybe 25 to 30 user we will consider as a typical, and for higher maximum 40 to 45, not more than that, you can configure as a it as a high. Okay, here data and if you have a network of voice and data both, you can select this voice and data, or for the normal data network you just select on data network. Click on next. So here you can see your configuration details. If you want to change anything, you can go through it, or else you will just put the apply, press the apply button, so it will be done. Okay, thank you very much.